In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate compliance reports in QuickBooks Time. Staying on top of labor laws, overtime rules, and payroll regulations starts with accurate reporting. QuickBooks Time makes this straightforward, and I'll walk you through the exact flow you can use every pay period or whenever you need a clear audit trail. First, launch QuickBooks Time. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, open the Time menu and choose Launch QuickBooks Time. This takes you into the time tracking workspace where all your hours, approvals, and projects live, so everything you need is in one place. Next, go to Reports. Click Reports in the top menu. Think of this as your control center for payroll summaries, labor hours, and the compliance insights you need before you process payroll or respond to an audit. Each report can be filtered, reviewed, and exported, so you can move from analysis to action quickly. Now, select the report type that fits your goal. The timesheet report shows all hours worked by each employee, which is great for validating totals and ensuring shifts are logged correctly. The overtime report highlights overtime hours, helping you confirm compliance with local and federal labor rules before the pay run. And the payroll summary report pulls billable and non-billable hours together, so payroll processing is clean and consistent. Choose the one you need, and remember you can run multiple reports back-to-back if you're preparing for a review. Set your date range and filters. Choose a weekly, monthly, or custom date range that matches your payroll cycle or the period you're reviewing. If you need a focused view, filter by employee, location, department, or project. Filters narrow the scope so you can isolate a team, site, or job and spot issues faster. Custom ranges are especially helpful for quarter-end reconciliations or audit requests that cover a specific window. When you're ready, generate and export the report. Click Run Report and let QuickBooks Time compile the data. Before exporting, quickly scan the column headers to make sure you're seeing the fields you expect. If you need to share or archive it, export to Excel for deeper analysis or to PDF for a locked, presentation-ready copy. These exports are ideal for management reviews, payroll workflows, or providing documentation to regulatory agencies. For organized records, include the period and report type in the file name. Finally, review and take action. Scan for overtime, missing approvals, gaps in time entries, duplicates, or anything that looks out of policy. If you find a discrepancy, make corrections in time entries or approvals. Add notes if your policy requires documentation. Then run the report again to confirm everything aligns with your compliance standards. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.